Let's reassemble the unit. First, securely install the burner, followed by the igniter and flame sensor assembly, and then the main cover with all its gaskets. Now, reconnect the ground wire. Secure the gas control module, and plug in the blower cables. Critical warning: route the igniter and sensor wires separately. Never bundle them together, as this will cause system failure. Finally, test the unit on level 3. Inside, both blowers should be running, and both the green and red lights on the control module must be on. This confirms a successful reassembly.